Hey Algebra 2, I'm going to do numbers 5 through 7 together because they use the same set of information. Numbers 1 through 10 are written on cards. Now we can do Venn diagrams on these ones, but the numbers are so small, it just makes more sense instead to just write out the numbers. So I'll write out the numbers. Alright, here's numbers 1 through 10 written out. So what's the probability of choosing a number greater than 5 or choosing an odd number? So we got up to all the ones greater than 5, that's all of these. Or an odd number, there's an odd number, there's an odd number, there's an odd number. So the total numbers that fit this category are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 10, because there's 10 numbers, which is 0.8. Alright. Alright, number 6, it says, when choosing an 8, or what's the probability of choosing an 8 or choosing a number less than 5? So we're going to write out the numbers and select the numbers that are either an 8 or less than 5. So there's 8. Here's all the numbers less than 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers out of 10, which is 0.5. So that's your answer to this. And last but not least, number 7, choosing at least one even number when selecting 2 cards from the bag. Alright, now the way that you do these at least problems is by figuring out what's the probability that no even numbers will be selected, and then we'll just do 1 minus that answer. So, let's figure out what's the probability that no even numbers get selected when we choose 2 cards. That means we'd have to get an odd on the first time, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd numbers. So 5 out of 10. And the second one would also have to be an odd number. So let's say, assuming we took out one of the odd numbers. So now there's only 4, and there's only 9 numbers now. So we would say times 4 out of 9. So now we have 20 out of 90, which is 0.22222222 continued. And there's our answer. Oh, and I almost forgot, the other thing that we have to do to finish off this problem is to do 1 minus 0.22222. So 1 minus 0.2222222. If you're going to type this in your calculator, type 2 as many times as you can do to fill the screen so you can get the most accurate answer. And so the real answer is 0.777 repeated. That is actually our final answer, not that. That's the probability that there will be no even numbers. This is the probability that there will be then at least 1.